boy. Move the car, man. You see me can't pass. You don't see what's car over there, so we can't pass. Move the car, man.
Lady, do you have any cabbage? How much for your pound of yam? That's all I want. Cha, I like marketing now. I don't like come down here. It's so pack up. And we can't deal with the locals them.
Yo, come on, we can go on market now, man. Yo, we must find somebody pocket for pick today, no?
Fresh bread, fresh bread. I want a fresh bread. Yes, mommy, how much bread you want?
Bleaching cream, bleaching cream. Over here, sir. Bleaching cream.
Watermelon, watermelon. Over here, so watermelon.
I love it, guys. I love it, y'all. Hey, I want y'all to check me out on YouTube, though. My YouTube channel is Bless Av. Bless Av. I want y'all to come and check it out. Check it out because it's gonna be live, man. I got a lot of contents on there. I try to do different stuff all the time. You can't get bored, y'all. Just come on over to Bless Av and be a part of the family. All right.